We're back! We missed you guys. We had so much fun talking about the new product launches this past summer that we just had to do it again. So the commercial baking editorial staff is here to talk to you about more product launches. We have 3 exciting ones right here in this bag for you. So why don't we just...
what's in the bag?
Exactly! Let's find out! So we have a new product launch from Lexington Bakes. They are a organic, fair trade, better for you brand, and they came out with some protein cookies. And we have 2 flavors here. We have peanut butter and vanilla almond. This launch was super exciting because it happened by accident, and I found that out talking to Lex, the founder of the company. He did a seasonal peanut butter cookie, and it did so well, he wanted to up the protein, up the fiber, and keep it as a permanent addition. So now Lexington Bakes offers protein cookies. He said they sold out immediately, so.
You know, that doesn't really surprise me, all things considered, just because we know it is the thing customers and consumers want right now. They want protein in everything. If you're watching this, put protein in everything.
So the vanilla almond flavor is actually very interesting because they partnered with BTR Nation, but they didn't really lean into the indulgence portion. So this collab was just so natural because his brand is known for luxury indulgence brownies, cookies, and so this collab, I'm really excited to see where it goes because I think people want indulgent cookies that also have a higher protein content.
My turn. Okay, this is a big one. I know that consumers have been waiting for this, especially those that deal with like sugar spikes, glucose spikes.
Sorry, excuse me.
Oh, for effect.
Bang. Okay, this is awesome. So we have our regular Oreos, and we also have them with the double stuff. This is huge. I am someone that can have a Diet Coke, a regular Coke. It all tastes the same to me. There's really no difference. So I am the target consumer who is going to be reaching for this. The really cool thing about these as well is, if you couldn't tell, the packaging is totally different from their signature peel back sleeve. Well, let's actually open it up too so you can see inside. We have these stand-up bags that come with pre-packaged individual servings of 2 cookies each. Product development spanned about 4 years, if my research is right, which is amazing because that means that Mondelez really cares about perfecting that classic Oreo taste for people who don't want to give that up.
Better for you is really, it was trending last summer when we talked about this, eat your Oreo, and it's trending now. Brands are listening. Mondelez is listening. I wouldn't be surprised if across their whole portfolio you start seeing more zero sugar additions of classic snacks like this.
Okay, everyone ready? Well, technically this product is not in the bag, but we do have one more teed up to talk about.
It's staying in the vein of the sweet products we've already talked about today, but it takes us over to McKee Foods' Little Debbie brand. So, are you guys familiar with their cream pies?
Of course.
Yeah. So they have a new flavor. So it's a banana pudding flavored cream pie, and it's one of their newer flavor innovations. They've been innovating a lot in terms of size. Yes, this new flavor is just the latest in a slew of different nostalgia-inducing flavors. Earlier in the spring of 2025, they released a double-decker chocolate chip cream pie, and that is also a very nostalgic flavor. Who doesn't love a nice warm cookie? So this is another great example of banana pudding being one of those flavor experiences that really takes people back to a different time. Well, Lily, Maddie, it's been so much fun talking about products with you today. I've missed being back at this table. I don't know about you guys. And we can't wait to see what we have in store for you next. So be sure to subscribe at commercialbaking.com, and especially to the new products newsletter, because that makes you the very first to see what's in the bag. Catch y'all next time.